If you're looking to accept Square payments right on your WordPress site, especially if you're running a full-featured online store, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to seamlessly add Square as a payment gateway using WooCommerce, so your customers can check out securely and easily. Let's dive in and get those Square payments working for your business. First up, we need to make sure you've got WooCommerce installed and activated on your WordPress site. WooCommerce is the engine that powers your online store, the backbone for handling products, inventory, and orders. If you haven't already set it up, don't worry, it's simple. From your WordPress dashboard, head to Plugins, then Add New. Search for WooCommerce, hit Install Now, then Activate. This literally transforms your WordPress site into a shopfront with all the bells and whistles you'll need. Once WooCommerce is up and running, the next step is to add the Square payment gateway itself. This is done via a special extension. Think of it like an app you add to WooCommerce to unlock new features. Go to WooCommerce in your dashboard, then Extensions. In the search bar, type Square. What you're looking for is the official WooCommerce Square extension. This is the trusted, secure bridge between your online store and your Square account. If needed, you might need to purchase or download the official extension. Don't skip this, as using the official version ensures your customer payments are handled safely. When you've got the extension file, head back to Plugins, choose Add New, and then Upload Plugin. Locate the zip file you just downloaded, click Install Now, and then Activate. It might take a moment, but just like that, you've added powerful new functionality to your store. Now comes the crucial part, connecting your actual Square account. This is where your online sales start flowing directly into your Square dashboard. Go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and select the Payments tab. You'll see a list of payment methods. Find Square and click Manage or Finish Setup. Then you'll see a Connect with Square button. Give that a click and you'll be redirected to Square's login page. Here, sign in with your Square username and password. Next, you'll be asked to grant permissions. What this means is you're letting WooCommerce securely talk to your Square account. Click Allow and you'll be sent right back to your WordPress site. This step is essential, and Square keeps your details secure so you can feel confident as you set this up. Once connected, you'll get to configure your settings. Take a moment here. Select your business location. This is helpful if you have multiple locations in your Square account, and set the notification email so you'll always be notified of sales and payments. Double-check that Square is enabled as a payment option in the Checkout tab. Think of this like flipping the Open for Business sign in your store's window. Lastly, hit Save Changes to lock in all your settings. I always recommend refreshing your checkout page on your website and giving it a quick test. Try a dummy order just to see Square showing up as an option. If it does, congratulations, you're ready to accept real payments. And that covers it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment below. I'm here to help you out. And of course, subscribe for more step-by-step guides to power up your WordPress site. Thanks for watching and happy selling.